So let's see what happens if we'll go back into here, and we're just going to freestyle for just a moment. I'm going to take this off. Actually, you know what? I'll leave it on there. It's not going to hurt anything. And then from here, let's go submit. You know, I think let's just do the same thing here. Refresh the page. I got a good feeling about this. Let's go here. Let's set this for a lot of money. I need to sell a few of these so I can buy some blue suede shoes. And, uh-oh, nothing happened. Let's see what's going on here. G-form, submit, 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 submit. Let's see if maybe I got my syntax wrong here. Let's pull in a local variable or a local method real quick.
I think instead of submit, there's an ng in front of it, ng submit on the form.
Like this?
Yeah. Yeah.
That does not seem to be working, my friends.
I just tried it with both and it did the same thing for me.
It did work for you?
Yeah. Both of them are working for me, submit and then G-submit, both. And that's the form.
Are you on like beta 10? It hasn't been released yet?
I have a form builder though.
So, I'm channeling Scott Moss here. I'm not going to freak out. Let's see what's going on here real quick.
Did you take the on-click handler off your button?
I wonder if that's overriding it. And what I'm going to do just for a test, let me see if have I forgot? Oh, you know what? That'll bite you every single time. From now on, if I forget this and somebody corrects me before I crash and burn, you get $1. All right, so now I really have a good feeling about this. I feel like redemption is like right around the corner. Or was I? Yes. No! I'm going to save this for later. Just kidding. All right. Now I'm just getting stubborn. That was Mark's mom calling to figure out what's taking me so long. The customer saying, "What's up with this demo?"
The docs say you have to import core directives. Is that the case?
Core directives. Let's see something here just real quick. Test. Let's see if this is working at all. If not, I will. When all else fails, let's just check the docs real quick. I mean, is this not what I'm doing? Oh. Just to cover our bases. Scott, I'm stalling for time, okay? Now the question is this in core directives? It seems like it would be in form directives. If I can make a suggestion for the docs, the one thing would be nice if they'd actually show the imports. Because now I don't know where core directives is.
Isn't core directives automatically imported?
I mean, so the question is, why is that in the docs then?
I don't have that either.
Well,
I have form directives in there.
I just don't know how to make this any more simpler than this.
I don't get these parts for why you need it when you can just directly
What is that?
That's, so now I can reference.
Your submit button might be outside of your form.
Oh, that
just
You know what?
Yeah, no, for real. But you don't
That actually
widget form.
may be it. Okay, you're on the verge of winning a $1 bounty.
So, oh, maybe it is because it's not working. Maybe that'll work now.
If this works, I'm totally going like Cuba Gooding Jr. when he won like the Oscar or whatever, when he's just running around the stage. Scott, prepare yourself. Boom! Okay, so my pain is your pleasure. I'm going to save you a lot of time in the future. The reason why this was not working is because I did not have a submit button in my form. So it's down here because I'm using material design. It was down here in kind of the footer, and then I had my form up top. So what we have here is a failure to communicate. So moral of the story is, if you're going to use ng submit, make sure you have a submit button in your form. Error 5, error 5, error 5, error 5. I'm so glad I'm hanging out with like 200 of my best friends right now. If I had any feelings at all, I would be embarrassed. Yeah, you know, like you remote folks, I thought you had my back. All right, so I'm just going to try this one more time. Okay, so that's good. Let me go back up here. And I'm going to what do I call this? Saved. Emit, and we're going to go with selected widget. Okay. Let's see if we're back from the brink. There we go. So you can see it in the console down here. We've now surfaced this to the top. One other thing that I'm working on, as soon as I get it working, I will post this as well. I have a half-formed form builder in here that there's a disconnect. It's trying to look for name and price on selected widget. It doesn't exist yet. I think this is constructor versus ng on init, so that'll be the next thing that I try. But with that said, are there any questions about forms in Angular? Remember, submit button goes in the form, or ng submit does not work.